All right, y'all, I'm back again. Andrew at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. 1964 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. Maroon. Black interior. Got the accessory hubcaps and some new white wall tires. Clean black vinyl interior. Tack on the dash. It is a 4-speed. I can convert it to automatic for extra if you want it. I know a lot of y'all don't like automatics. Runs great. You can hear it sounds pretty good. Power brakes, power steering. It's got a billet front runner on the front of the motor. Vintage AC. Under the hood, the frame and stuff's real clean. Pretty sure it's got disc brakes. Let's look. Yeah, got disc brakes in the front. Does got a couple paint chips here and there. It's what I call just a clean driver. Chip down here. There's two little cracks right here by the antenna. Trying to cover up the sun. Nice sounding car, you hear it. Little ding in the trim right there. There's a chip right here in the paint. Couple chips on this side, one right here, that little spot in the door there, one down here. This is the worst spot. Some touch-up paint on these chips would make it look a lot better, or you could feather it out and blend them in. But anyways, this is the latest car available here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina. 1964 Chevrolet Impala Convertible. Power steering, power disc brakes, power top, vintage air conditioning. We're asking $50,000 for this car. If you're interested in it, give us a call or send us a message. We'll be glad to help you out. Financing and shipping is available. 1964 Chevy Impala here at Rumley Motors in Greensboro, North Carolina.